So I'm back here just to do another wee bit of work, and I'm noticing there's this path that leads up to the bushes. It's a bit more of it down in there. Path's meant to go down in here, and this has just got really overgrown. So I think we'll just concentrate for, I've got about, I don't know, an hour and a half, 2 hours here. We'll just see what we can get done in this area. Need my lobbers. This is obviously a path that hasn't been used in years, but while we're here and we're doing all this sort of, you know, heavy cutback work and that kind of thing, makes sense to get everything back to where it originally was. So there's a lot of briars in here, but I think I'll do all the cutting first, then we'll try and get these briars out. think I'll go particularly light on it because from the back door of the house it's shielding all the sort of, I've made that very bare. So if I try and keep a bit more colour on this. Yeah, so I think this has been a really nice rhododendron that has just got an absolute hammering. But I wouldn't give up hope on it. But I don't think it's totally dead. So I'm just going to push that back. Okay folks, that's just rightly tidied up anyway. We've got that fairly well pushed back and you can actually see a bit of a flower bed in here now, so next visit we'll probably work our way along here and try and get this all back into a bit more shape, you know. And so as usual, thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it, and catch you in the next one.